Hey everyone, and welcome back to our series where we dive deep into India's top mutual funds. In this episode, we're turning the spotlight on the ICICI Prudential Retirement Fund Pure Equity Plan. The investment objective of the scheme is to provide capital appreciation and income to the investors, which will help to achieve retirement goals by investing in a mix of securities comprising of equity and equity-related instruments. If you missed our earlier videos, don't worry, you can find them by clicking the info button. We've already covered top funds from AMCs like Kotak, HDFC, Motilal Oswal, Quant, DSP, and many more. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know: basic details, investment strategy, portfolio mix, top holdings, sector exposures, fund manager insights, investment details, performance snapshot, risk and return matrix, and taxation. But before we begin, here's a quick word about us. We are PA Wealth, a full-spectrum investment firm offering expert guidance in PMS, mutual funds, AIFs, bonds, insurance, IPOs, startup investments, and Dubai real estate. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the latest market insights and wealth-building opportunities. Basic details. Let's begin with the basic details of the ICICI Pru Retirement Fund Pure Equity Plan. Launched on February 27, 2019 as an open-ended equity scheme, the fund currently manages assets worth around 1,322 crores. Portfolio mix. When it comes to the portfolio mix, the fund allocates about 30% to mid-cap companies, around 38.7% to large caps, nearly 27.8% to small caps, and only 3.6% to cash and others. Sector exposures. In terms of sector allocation, the fund maintains higher weight towards finance, financial services, IT software, steel and chemicals. This diversified spread allows it to participate in multiple growth-driven areas of the economy. Next, let's look at the fund managers. Mr. Sanket Gaidhani. He joined ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company Limited in February 2016. He's part of the research team since September 17, 2018. Let's have a look at investment details. Talking about the investment details, investors can start with a SIP of 100 rupees or a lump sum of 5,000 rupees with 5 years of lock-in period. No exit load on the redemption or switch out of units. Performance snapshot. Now let's look at the performance. Over the last 6 months, the fund has delivered 20% return while the BSE 500 TRI gave 11.97%. In the past 1 year, it generated 7.13%, significantly higher than the minus 0.80% from the benchmark. Over the 3-year horizon, the fund has clocked 25.28% CAGR, higher than the benchmark's 16.26%. And over the 5 years, the fund has given 29.34% CAGR, higher than the benchmark's 20.39%. Risk and return metrics. Looking at the risk and return profile, the fund has a standard deviation of 14.61%, slightly higher than the 13.13% of the BSE 500 TRI, indicating similar levels of volatility. The Sharpe ratio stands at 1.18, better than the benchmark's 0.73, showing stronger risk-adjusted returns. With a beta of 1.06, the fund is marginally less volatile than the broader index. Taxation. Now, let's cover taxation. Short-term gains. If units are sold within 1 year, gains are taxed at 20%. Long-term gains. If sold after 1 year, gains up to 1.25 lakh rupees in a financial year are exempt. Beyond that, taxed at 12.5%. Dividends. Added to the investor's income and taxed as per slab. If the annual dividend exceeds 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees after April 2025, 10% TDS is deducted before distribution. That wraps up our deep dive into the ICICI Pru Retirement Fund Pure Equity Plan. If you found this breakdown helpful, do give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crisp, research-driven investing insights. Tap the bell icon to stay updated and let us know in the comments which fund you'd like us to analyze next. Until next time, invest smart and we'll see you in the next video.